Hi, Booga. Say hi to Mommy and Daddy.
Put those on so he don't get scared. So his head holds up higher.
Andy, come here.
Kick over here.
Are you dying, Jason?
Okay, no, Jason knows how to swim. JJ, can you swim over to me? Underwater?
Sure.
One. Watch JJ. Underwater. Go underwater. Swim underwater. Very good. Put it all the way up on his shoulders, Jay. And show him that he can get the water without going under his head. You're okay, you're okay, you're okay. You're not going to go underwater now. See?
You're going nowhere. See?
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 I need to go under.
No, you do it like this, see?
See?
The float is going to keep you up.
Come
This
on.
thing keeps you up.
See? It keeps you up. You don't go under now.
Here goes JJ.
See?